Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing Lenovo charger. Okay, let's begin. Okay, we have Lenovo charger and adapter in case, and some paperwork from Lenovo. It's also some paperwork from Lenovo. Safety information, caution. Okay, and it is a bill. How much price? It's around 860. We will keep it aside. This is the overall. This is a box. We will keep it aside. This is adapter, looking nice and sturdy. This is the plug. Just want to uncover it. Looking very sturdy. That's all, my friends. Unboxing of Lenovo charger. Specifications is it is a 45 volts charger. That's all. It supports for all Lenovo laptops. Okay, that's all. Bye.